The dawn of artificial intelligence has ushered in an era of unprecedented technological advancement, promising to reshape industries, redefine work, and revolutionize the very fabric of our lives. The potential benefits of AI are vast and transformative, offering solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges, from curing diseases to addressing climate change. However, this technological revolution is not without its complexities and potential pitfalls. We must acknowledge and address the complex ethical considerations that accompany AI's rapid development and deployment. This exploration of AI economics will delve into the critical intersection of innovation and ethics, examining the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead as we navigate the future of an AI-driven world. This is not merely a technological discussion. It is a societal imperative, demanding careful consideration of the values we wish to uphold as we integrate AI into the core of our economic systems. The choices we make today will have profound consequences for generations to come. The central question we must grapple with is this: how do we harness the immense power of AI to drive economic growth and societal progress while simultaneously safeguarding against potential harms related to bias, privacy, sustainability, and economic inequality? The answers to these questions will determine not only the trajectory of AI development, but also the kind of future we create for ourselves and generations to come. We must strive to create an AI-powered world that is not only efficient and productive, but also equitable and just. A critical starting point is recognizing the pervasive nature of AI's influence. It is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It is a present reality, permeating every aspect of our lives, from the mundane to the monumental. From the algorithms that curate our news feeds and recommend products to us online, to the AI-powered systems that diagnose medical conditions, manage our finances, and even drive our cars, AI is rapidly becoming an invisible yet indispensable force shaping our world. This ubiquity underscores the urgency of addressing ethical concerns proactively, before they become entrenched and difficult to reverse. We cannot afford to be reactive. We must be proactive in shaping the future of AI. One of the most pressing ethical challenges is the issue of AI bias. AI systems at their core are trained on data. If that data reflects existing societal biases, the AI will inevitably perpetuate and amplify those biases, leading to discriminatory outcomes. This is not a theoretical concern, it is a documented reality. We have seen examples of AI hiring tools that favor men over women, criminal justice algorithms that disproportionately classify minorities as high risk, and facial recognition systems that struggle to accurately identify individuals with darker skin tones. These instances of AI bias are not merely glitches in the system. They are manifestations of the biases embedded in the data on which these systems were trained. The data is not neutral, it reflects the biases of the world it is collected from. The consequences of AI bias can be far-reaching and devastating. They can reinforce existing inequalities, limit opportunities for marginalized groups, and erode trust in AI systems. Imagine a world where AI-powered loan applications consistently deny credit to individuals from certain neighborhoods, or where AI-driven healthcare systems provide substandard care to specific demographic groups. These are not hypothetical scenarios. They are potential consequences of unchecked AI bias. Addressing this challenge requires a multifaceted approach. First and foremost, we need to ensure that AI models are trained on diverse and representative datasets. This means actively seeking out and incorporating data from a wide range of sources, including populations that have historically been underrepresented or excluded. We need to go beyond simply collecting data. We need to curate it carefully, ensuring that it is truly representative of the population we intend the AI to serve. Second, we need to develop robust methods for detecting and mitigating bias in AI algorithms. This involves not only technical solutions, such as algorithmic fairness metrics, but also a commitment to ongoing monitoring and evaluation. We need to continuously audit AI systems to ensure that they are not producing discriminatory outcomes. Finally, we need to foster a culture of transparency and accountability, where developers and users of AI systems are aware of the potential for bias and are empowered to challenge discriminatory outcomes. This requires education, training, and open dialogue about the ethical implications of AI. Beyond bias, another critical ethical concern is the impact of AI on privacy. AI systems thrive on data, often vast amounts of personal information. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it can extract increasingly granular insights from this data, raising serious questions about who owns this information and how it is being used. We have already seen examples of governments using facial recognition AI for mass surveillance, tech companies monetizing user data without explicit consent, and the rise of deepfake AI, which can be used to create realistic but fabricated videos and audio recordings. The line between personalization and privacy violation is becoming increasingly blurred. The potential for privacy violations in the age of AI is immense. It threatens our fundamental right to autonomy and control over our own lives. Imagine a world where our every move is tracked, our preferences are analyzed, and our thoughts are predicted by AI systems. This is a dystopian vision, but it is a potential consequence of unchecked data collection and AI surveillance. Addressing this challenge requires a comprehensive framework for data protection. This includes empowering individuals with greater control over their data, establishing clear guidelines for data collection and usage, and enforcing strong penalties for privacy violations. Furthermore, we need to promote the development of privacy-preserving AI technologies, such as differential privacy and federated learning, which can enable AI systems to learn from data without compromising individual privacy. These technologies allow AI to extract valuable insights from data while protecting the anonymity of individuals. In addition to bias and privacy, we must also consider the environmental impact of AI. Training large AI models requires massive amounts of computing power, which in turn consumes significant amounts of energy. This raises concerns about the carbon footprint of AI and its contribution to climate change. Moreover, the increasing demand for AI-driven data centers is putting a strain on natural resources, including water and land. The environmental cost of AI is often overlooked, but it is a significant factor in its long-term sustainability. The environmental sustainability of AI is not just an abstract concern. It is a critical factor in ensuring the long-term viability of AI development. Addressing this challenge requires a commitment to green AI computing. This includes developing more energy-efficient AI algorithms, optimizing data center infrastructure, and transitioning to renewable energy sources. Furthermore, we need to explore the potential of AI to contribute to solving climate change, such as through AI-powered climate modeling, smart grids, and optimized resource management. AI can be a powerful tool in the fight against climate change, but we must ensure that its own development is sustainable. Finally, we must address the ethical implications of AI-driven wealth inequality. AI is generating immense wealth, but the benefits are not being distributed equitably. The vast majority of AI-generated wealth is concentrated in the hands of a small number of tech companies, venture capitalists, and AI patent owners. This is exacerbating existing inequalities and creating a growing divide between the AI haves and have-nots. This disparity in wealth distribution poses a significant threat to social cohesion and economic stability. The concentration of AI-driven wealth poses a significant threat to social and economic stability. It can lead to increased social unrest, political polarization, and erosion of trust in institutions. Addressing this challenge requires a fundamental rethinking of our economic systems. This includes exploring policies such as universal basic income, AI employment transition programs, and progressive taxation to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared more broadly. Furthermore, we need to encourage the development of ethical AI capitalism, where AI corporations are incentivized to reinvest in social programs and contribute to the common good. We need to move beyond a purely profit-driven model of AI development and consider the broader societal impact. The ethical challenges of AI are complex and multifaceted, but they are not insurmountable. By proactively addressing these concerns, we can harness the power of AI to create a future that is not only technologically advanced, but also ethically sound and socially just. This requires a collaborative effort involving governments, businesses, researchers, and individuals. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment, promote transparency and accountability, and foster a culture of ethical awareness. This is not something that can be achieved in isolation. It requires a collective commitment to ethical AI development. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is up to us to shape it in a way that reflects our values and aspirations. By engaging in open and honest dialogue about the ethical implications of AI, we can ensure that this powerful technology is used to create a better world for all. This is not just a technological challenge, it is a moral imperative. We must rise to the occasion and ensure that the AI revolution is one that benefits all of humanity. The choices we make today will determine the kind of future we inherit tomorrow. Let us choose wisely. Let us choose ethically. Let us choose a future where AI empowers us all. Let us create a future where AI serves humanity, not the other way around. This is the challenge and the opportunity that lies before us.